Hey guys, so today I've got here the new Mini GT Liberty Works BMW M4, and it is in this beautiful purple green metallic color, which is that chameleon color which changes depending on the kind of light that falls upon it. More about the paint later. First, let's talk about the packaging. This is the classic new Mini GT. This is the classic new Mini GT packaging, and yes, it is matching the color of the car. And let's look at the sides. It says ages 14 plus. It's a collectible. Then we come on to number. It's number 228. Here we've got the Mini GT logo. Here it has got the wait, I'll just show you guys. It's got the Liberty Walk branding because it's a Liberty Walk licensed car. And finally we come on to the rear. Now here one very interesting thing is that this is the BMW hologram. Now if you see, if you just turn it according to the light, if you just do what holograms do, what they are best known for, you can see the grille design that BMW has adopted over the years. So there are the long ones and the short ones and the big ones. So the evolution of the kidney grille, what is basically the BMW logo, the grille, the characteristic of a BMW car. So what they have done is that they have taken their hologram and they have just tried to incorporate it, and there are so many of them that you can play around with this all day. And you can have a great time trying to identify which ones do you identify, which ones do you are not, which ones you're not sure about. And you can see when you put at this angle, you can see BMW written all over. So it's a wonderful hologram, and it's a great touch that BMW has added. And shouts, a special shouts to someone who just pointed it out to me, and I've been so impressed ever since. Every time I get a BMW on my hands, I can't just stop myself from playing around with this hologram. So enough about the hologram. Now we'll quickly unbox the car and let's check it out, what the car looks like in person, especially with that exclusive paint. Oh my god, the moment you take it out, that paint really looks outstanding. It's got a carbon fiber hood, so that's a great thing. Nice snug packaging. Now this is the car. The first impression of the car is that it's a great looking car, and I am pretty sure you have seen the Mini GT BMW M4. So see, right now, there we go. Oh my god, this is so good. Wow, how good is that? It's green. Oh no, wait, it's purple. I mean, it really brings out the child inside you. You can play with this for hours, and there is that famous kidney grill we were talking about, replicated so perfectly. The headlamps, they look amazing. Just check out this angle right now. We've got the bumper of the car looking purple and the hood of the car looking green. That paint quality is outstanding. The way it changes colors, unbelievable. The logo of BMW, wow, that is so good looking. Okay, we've got that LB performance text also. Then all the necessary details, you can just find them inside the car, the front. Even on the windshield, you can find Liberty Walk performance written. So yes, it is very proud of its heritage, where it comes from. And the fact that Liberty Walk has worked upon it, it's mentioned everywhere. The wheels, it has got some really good looking wheels. Cannot ignore them. Definitely not worth ignoring. Then we come on to the rear. So Mini GT has always been known for making some great castings, and even the base in this one is very well detailed. Looking from the side, I think we've seen enough of the side already. Let's just go on to the back. The back is once again amazing. Even though it has got such a mesmerizing paint job, still we see that the details are on point. You can see the M4 badging, you can see Liberty performance written, you can see and the BMW logo. You can see all the necessary brandings that are apart. You can see the detailing of the head tail lamps, the exhaust, the quad exhaust. Then again a bit of interior detailing also. The hood is definitely on another level because it has got the carbon fiber look, but the paint is what really makes this car look outstanding. And wow, I mean, it's not a scam. Initially when you look at it in other photos, you think that, oh, this can't be real, but then when you hold it and you know on video right now in front of your eyes this is happening, it feels absolutely unbelievable. See, right now it's green and then suddenly it turns purple, and both the colors, they look really nice. Both of them, they look like, oh wow, I mean, if it looks green, it looks purely green. If it looks purple, it looks purely purple. And then there is that unique blend of both. Sometimes, you can play around with this all day, trust me on that. I mean, if you're a diecast collector, you're already a kid at heart, and this will bring that out in you. You are going to love every bit of it. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you like it. And hopefully you should be able to find this if you're looking to add it to your collection. And if you like chameleon cars, then this is meant for you. For example, I've got the magic purple GTR, I've got the magic green Huracan and the GTR. So this will look great alongside them. And yes, it's a great paint combo, green and purple, unique colors, and they both look very great because this is a great casting also. Now, thank you for watching, and really hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you.